Do you want to make your guests feel like $1,000,000 without spending it? This $1,000,000 dip lives up to its name. It's creamy, crunchy, savory, and completely addictive. There's a reason why they call it crack dip. These simple ingredients transform into pure party gold. You're going to need cream cheese, mayonnaise. Grab your mixer and beat it together until it is smooth and creamy. Then you're going to add in green onions, bacon bits, cheddar cheese, and that secret crunch is delivered by silvered almonds. Watch this disappear every single party. Seriously, you might want to make a double batch. Whether you're hosting game day or a holiday gathering, this dip steals the show. What's the best part? You can make this ahead and let those flavors mingle and taste even better overnight. Now get ready to become everyone's favorite host, and you can get more great recipes at GameDayEats.com.